Can you tell me about unfiltered radiation? What is unfiltered radiation? The radiation which is not having
Filtration.
filtration. So, if someone is saying something, they are saying one thing. Write down this question: why filtration increases the mean energy of an X-ray beam? Why filtration increases the mean energy of X-ray beam? According to you, why this is so?
Ma'am, because it removes the low energy photons,
Yes.
so only the high energy photons will remain.
So now the beam will be having higher energy photons. So if you are calculating the mean of only higher energy photons, obviously the mean will increase, right? So that is why you can write it answer also. You can write the answer also. So they are saying that if you are using high energy beam, this decrease, this change in the what say mean energy will not be significant in the contrast of the image, because already it is higher energy. But if you are using lower energy radiation, this ununiformity, or you can say insignificant change of decrease of lower energy radiation will be showing you properly. How? Because it will influence the contrast. For example, if I'm using what say 80 kVp, right? So for 80 kVp, obviously most of the radiation among this beam of 80 kVp will be having higher energy. Even if you remove the lower energy radiations, it will not be creating that much of impact on the film, because all the rays will be having higher energy. But if you are using around 30 kVp, already the beam is very low, and the lesser energy beams you have already removed from the filtration. So because of that, obviously the contrast, how does it come? Because of the absorption of the radiation, lower energy radiation. So already you are using lesser kvp, right? And more lesser are getting absorbed. So how the contrast will come? Contrast will not come now. So it will create issue in the contrast. Next is what they are saying is about the beryllium window. Write down one question. What is beryllium window tubes? And where how it is being utilized? So the answer will be to produce the essentially unfiltered beam. What is beryllium window tubes? What is beryllium window tubes? So exit portal will be removed and beryllium will be placed. Beryllium's atomic number is 4. That is a beryllium window tube. It will be more transparent to the low energy radiation as compared to the glass. Glass port will be there. Now, what is port? Port is a place from which the radiation will come out, right? So either you are using glass or either you are using beryllium. If you are using beryllium, that is a beryllium window tube, and it is mostly used to produce essentially unfiltered beam. Once you are done, let me know. When is this Kerala exam, Ananjay?
On May 12, ma'am.
So you are also writing?
Yes, ma'am. This comes only like 3 to 4 years gap.
Read it. What didn't get you? What you said?
This exam for radiographers in our Kerala state comes like every 3 or 4 years. That is why
Oh,
everyone is preparing so hard.
okay, okay, okay.
And this time also they are saying there are a lot of retirements happening, so a lot of vacancies are also there. And also,
Okay. So when is the exam exactly date? What
exam
you
date
said?
is May 12.
It is fixed. Date is fixed.
Date is fixed, and they have released a syllabus, and everyone are expecting the majority will be like from diagnosis portion, but they have also add radiotherapy also in
So
equally like
so
50%.
radiotherapy, there is a book called Khan. Have you heard about that?
Yes, yes, we followed that book while
Yes.
college.
So that book, what you have to do, this syllabus, what we are going through, that we have to be consistent on. After the class, take 1 hour slot before doing my work, leave my work for tomorrow. Just after the class, take another hour to complete that Khan book.
Yes,
While reading the book, you will be getting lots of doubts. What you have to do, you know already, right? Just post it whenever you are getting doubt. Just post it to
yes, ma'am.
my separate that what's a WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
every class I am taking, just after that or before that, read that radiotherapy book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
In 1 day, at least one chapter. 1 day, one chapter. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
No need to be become very inconsistent. What will happen? No, you will lose CRE also, and you will lose that exam also. So don't be a fool and just leave the preparation in between because of that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. This line of
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Someone is saying something, okay? No. Okay. Now let us move towards added filtration. So what exactly is added filtration? It results from the observers placed in the path of X-ray beam. So what is that? Observer placed in the path of X-ray beam.
These aluminum filters placed in the just
A
outside
filter material, right?
filter
A
material.
filter material. So they will do what? Basically, they will absorb all the low energy radiations and it will transmit all the high energy photons, obviously, right? So ideally, if I say, there is no such material which is existing, right? So a material has to be selected which will be principally absorbing low energy radiations by utilizing the uh, photoelectric attenuation for low energy photons. So what exactly they will do? They will absorb the low energy radiations and they will my voice is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what exactly they will do? They will cut off the low energy radiations by photoelectric absorption, right? So what exactly is attenuation? You already know, right? What they are saying is obviously attenuation is most intense if you are thinking about photoelectric effect. And when is photoelectric effect dominant? At low energy or high energy?
Low energy, ma'am.
Right.
Low energy.
So the same thing they will do, right? So they will use a material while low energy radiation we are using. So at that time we'll use a material that will absorb the low energy radiation with the help of photoelectric attenuation. Understood? So what are the questions that can be asked? First of all, write one question. What is added filtration? Next question you write down. What is the principle of added filtration? Under low energy radiation. What is the principle of added filtration? This is the second question. Now you write down examples of added filtration. So examples, answer will be aluminium and copper. So this we are utilizing for diagnostic radiology. Aluminium and copper. Now next question you write down. What is the atomic number of aluminium? What is the atomic number of copper? Whatever questions I am asking you to write, please write it.